Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Want to dominate Brawl Stars with precision controls and stunning visuals? Playing on BlueStacks gives you a massive edge. You gain the power of keyboard and mouse for aiming and movement, far surpassing touch controls. Imagine crystal-clear graphics on a larger monitor, letting you spot enemies and react faster than ever. Plus, your phone battery stays fully charged, ready for whatever else you need. First, open your web browser and navigate directly to the official BlueStacks website. It is crucial to download the newest BlueStacks X installer, specifically the 2025 version, to ensure optimal compatibility and the smoothest gameplay experience. Once the download is complete, locate the file and simply run it. The installation process is straightforward and will guide you through setting up the emulator on your computer in just a few moments. With BlueStacks successfully installed, launch the program from your desktop. You will see an interface that closely resembles an Android tablet. Locate and click on the Google Play Store icon, then use the search bar at the top to type in Brawl Stars. Select the official game from the search results, then simply click the Install button. The game will quickly download and be ready to launch directly from your BlueStacks home screen. Now that Brawl Stars is installed, optimizing your controls is key to competitive play. BlueStacks provides a powerful game controls editor, allowing you to assign movement to keys like WASD and abilities to easily accessible buttons. Take a moment to experiment and find a layout that feels natural for you. Additionally, remember to adjust the in-game graphics settings within Brawl Stars itself to ensure smooth frame rates and a visually responsive experience on your computer. You are now fully set up and ready to enjoy Brawl Stars on your computer. Simply click the Brawl Stars icon on your BlueStacks home screen to start playing. Give yourself some time to get accustomed to the new keyboard and mouse controls. Practice truly makes perfect. For extra tips, troubleshooting, or just to connect with other players, consider joining the vibrant BlueStacks Discord community. Enjoy your enhanced Brawl Stars experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.